after receiving the product, first take out the camera. There is also an accessory mode for installing the camera. Use the provided hex wrench to remove the anti-theft screws. We can now choose according to our needs next week, or the week after, if it's the week after. We will need to take it apart. Now you can start applying makeup. Similarly, after we have successfully installed it, we can also charge it later if needed. Just remove it directly. The charging port is here. Now let's install the lower part. Align with the holes. Take out our installation screws. If it's difficult to install, let's first remove this part and install the license plate. After the installation is successful, we then mount the camera onto the slot